scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Finding the volume of a solid with semicircular cross-sections is actually super fast. Let's solve this calculus problem together right now. You got this. First, identify the diameter of each semicircular cross-section. Since they are perpendicular to the x-axis, the diameter is simply the y value given by our linear equation for the hypotenuse. Next, we find the area of a semicircle using 1/2 pi times the radius squared. Remember that the radius is just half of the y value we found earlier. Boom! Finally, integrate this area from 0 to 16. This calculation gives us the total volume. That makes option A our final winner. Let's go! Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rush. Trust given values and check steps for success.